DJI has launched Mavic Air 2 drone. Let's see what are the specification and pricing. This is Mavic Air 2, the successor of Mavic Air. It has 84 degree of field of view and having 48 megapixel with larger 1/2 inch CMOS sensor with aperture f2.8. You can also shoot hyperlapse at 8K with HDR. It has cool color optimization and provide less noise shots. It uses a similar sort of quad bear system found on many of today's smartphones, combining multiple pixels into one in order to help reduce noise and improve overall image quality. A new smart photo algorithm also allows the Mavic Air 2 to produce better low-light photographs, advanced HDR and automatic scene detection and adjustments. It can record video 4K at 60p and also super slow motion at 240 frames per second. It can also record HDR video and can fly for 34 minutes max. It can fly longer up to 10 km and has fast focus system, Spotlight 2.0. It has POI 3.0 and Active Track 3.0. It has automatic optical avoidance. Its cost is 60,900 Indian rupee.